How to enable live activities in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable live activities in iOS 18.1. This feature gives you real-time updates right on your lock screen. So watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Once in the Settings, scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode if applicable. Enter your passcode to access the settings. Allow access when locked section. Now navigate to Settings. Scroll down, go to App, once in the Apps. There are many apps listed in it. Then select any app. Look for the Live Activities option and ensure it's toggled on. Now go back to the Settings. Scroll down, tap on Display and Brightness. Find Raise to Awake and toggle it on. And that's it. You're now set to enjoy real-time updates with live activities on iOS 18.1. By this tutorial, you have definitely gained from it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more iOS tips. See you in the next video. That's all for the video.